Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable AI photo editing on your Xiaomi 17 Ultra. So this is very important. First, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over into our gallery. Then we're gonna select a photo that we wanna do something like extend the sky, enhance it, remove the objects. What we're gonna do here is, as you guys can see, I have some pictures right here and I will use some of them. So for example, I'll use this picture right here, and let me maybe find a better quality one. Okay, so I don't think, yes, it is a good quality. What we're gonna do here is go over and download the original file because I had to. And as you guys can see, now we can edit this. And here what we're gonna do is we're gonna go and click on Ultra HD. So this is the first step of doing the AI stuff. Here we are just enhancing the quality and we're waiting for it to stop restoring the image, and after that everything should be ready. So next what we're gonna do is we can beautify this picture too. And we can beautify it like this or like this. I feel like the 50% is good. What we're gonna do next is we're gonna go to the, sorry, not the crop, but here in the settings we can go over and click create. Now we can erase something. As you guys can see, like we can remove this object, for example, and we're getting rid of it. Now we're gonna get rid of this. And as you guys can see, we are waiting for it to detect everything. So now this and this. Next we're gonna click start and let's see how it erases stuff. So now it's erasing those 4 things on the doors and now they're gone. So it did a perfect job. Let's see if it does the same with this chair right here. So we're getting rid of the chair. Sorry, it did not work. Let's select it. Okay, not exactly what I wanted, but I guess we can still try. So let's try and actually erase it. Now let's click start and see how it works. So it looks the same as an iPhone. So the iPhone definitely has the similar AI. We're gonna make this chair stay here. Now what you guys want to do is simply leave this. We can also add some sky, but even though we are in a building, we can still try and add some sky. And we can also go and expand our picture by a lot. So we can do this for an example, click start, and now the image is expanding. So I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. So now we're after expanding our picture. It did a phenomenal job, but what we're gonna do here is we're gonna go over and expand it even more. So let's click start and see how that works. It did an amazing job. Now let's click here and we're still waiting for the sky to be created, so let's wait. And as you guys can see, here we have like star tracks, trajectories, crescent, luna, full moon, lighting, aurora, borealis, and we can try and see if that works. Of course it does. But you guys need to know that this is not an outside picture. This is a picture inside of our room. So of course it won't work the best, but still it looks amazing. So we can save it, and this is our final product. This is what we can do and how we can enable the AI photo editing. It's enabled, we just need to find it, and it's a bit of hidden in the settings. As you guys can see, the quality is still here. It looks amazing. And that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.